You get your first cable through, all you want to do, get your cutters, line up how much you need off, lightly score around the edge and flick that off. That way you have your stranded cable. Now what you need here is a Phillips. Open up the battery terminal for the negative, slide that in and just tighten. You can always tighten it up a little bit more later, but what you want to get done initially is to just get the cable in. Do the same for the positive. So then what you want to do is cut a tiny piece of black heat shrink to slide over your cable, and you just want to push your lug into that. Now you want to make sure that the copper goes right to the end of the lug, and you see how that butts up. You don't really want any copper showing there. And then you just want to get your crimper, and I like to do two. So if you get one at the bottom first, push it on tight, and then do another one a little bit higher. Okay, so once you've crimped that, give it a tug test, and then that is what your lug should look like. Get your heat gun and apply some heat. And that there is what your connection should look like. And that can just be bolted onto the corresponding colour, the black to black, so negative to negative. You've got a washer and a spring washer as well, and I would put the lug over the washer and then the spring washer over that, and then do this nut up. And that is exactly how I'm going to be doing all of my connections. The only thing I'm going to be doing differently is on the cables that go into the components. I'm going to be putting some ferrules on the cable, so I'm going to be changing that, but I haven't got any at the minute.